What's going on, man? Hey.
Hey,
Oh man.
hey.
Well, I gotta get some.
Super cool. I
Wow,
mean, we can hear each other, man.
this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's so freaking. I'm so happy right now.
Oh yeah,
And you can see my brush, right? You can see
yeah. I can
my
see your
eraser right
brush.
here.
Yeah, yeah,
That's new. That's new.
yeah. That's really cool. That really helps.
The presence, right?
Yeah, I remember when.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the only time I've ever done a multiplayer one of these was when Andres accidentally showed up, thinking it was another meeting, and
Yeah,
I happened to be in
that's
there.
right. That's right.
Yeah,
So where you at right now?
I'm just at my
Home?
house. I'm in. Yeah, I'm in a little.
Yeah, in
It's funny
TV.
because my room's probably smaller than yours because you were over there. Over outside of the bounds of my
Oh,
room.
that's so cool. Yeah, I can show you. I can show you my house, where I'm at. So that's what I really love about this, is being able to do stuff like this. Let's see. Let's take this, and here
Oh yeah.
I'll do
Here,
this.
oh yeah, that's a great idea. I'll map mine out too, and then we can.
Yeah, we share meshes, but not share meshes.
Right, but we're kind of
So
prototyping that
so
idea.
so you know about the oh you got the yeah you have the straight edge tool.
Somebody figured this out on
So
accident in a demo, and it was so funny. I was like trying to help him fix it, and then I finally hit the bumper and was like, "Oh, that's cool."
oh yeah wow so I'm through your house, huh?
Yeah, you're on the edge of my house.
Distance brush is helpful because I don't have to actually bring my paintbrush to the ceiling.
Yeah, I really like that.